Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Now, we will see the third type of local winds, that is land and sea breezes. Land and sea breezes, these winds are also known as periodic winds. They originate because of the differential heating and cooling of the land and water bodies, and they blow near the coastal areas. First of all, we will see the sea breezes or sea winds. These breezes or winds blow during the day from the sea towards the land. During the day, the land gets more intensively heated than the water bodies or seas and oceans. Hence, a low pressure area is formed over the land. Comparatively, the water bodies remain cooler and a high pressure area is formed over the water. Thus, the pressure gradient or slope is from water to the land. Hence, the winds blow from sea towards the land and hence are known as sea breezes or sea winds. These winds or breezes start blowing at about 10 a.m. in the morning and reach their maximum velocity in the afternoon when a low pressure area is well developed over the land and cease to blow in the late evening. As the pressure difference is not large, they do not blow beyond a distance of 50 kilometers over the land. Generally, they blow with an average velocity of 5 to 10 kilometers per hour, but may reach the stormy velocities in the tropical lands. Now, the second is the land breezes or land winds. These breezes or winds blow from land towards the sea during the nights. Due to rapid radiation, the land becomes cooler faster than the adjoining seas. Thus, the atmospheric pressure is more over the land and is less over the sea. The winds blow from the land to the sea. Now, we will see what is the importance of land and sea breezes in human life or in economy. One by one. Number one, due to the sea breezes, the coastal areas experience cooler temperatures during the days. This effect is felt more in the tropical lands where the temperatures are very hot. Number two, due to the sea breezes, the coastal areas experience maritime or equable climate. That is, the summers are not very hot and the winters are not very cool. Third, the sea breezes or winds carry some amount of moisture with them towards the land. Where the deserts lie near the western coast of the continents, this moisture condenses during the nights and results in the formation of dews in the early morning. It is able to support a vegetation cover of grass in these areas, and because of vegetation cover of grass, it is ideal for the pastures or grazing lands. Number four, the land and sea breezes are beneficial to the fishermen who use their small boats for fishing. In the early morning, the land breezes help them to go out to the seas or oceans or bays for fishing. These winds carry their boats easily towards the seas, while in the late evening the fishermen, when happen to return to the coastal areas, these winds again help or push the boats towards the coast to go ashore.